In my journey of building businesses across this continent, I have come to a singular, unshakable conclusion. No nation can industrialize without the ingenuity of engineers. You are the silent architects of our national development. To tell you how important engineering is, it is the same engineering that we use out of the box to build 50% more capacity than any refinery that has been built in this world. At Dangote, we are not only participants in industrialization, we are actively shaping it. Across Nigeria and the African continent, we are engaged in the construction, operations, and maintenance of some of the largest industrial facilities ever undertaken. Our vision has always been clear: to make Nigeria, and by extension African, self-sufficient in products that we were once heavily imported, and also to demonstrate that this ambition is both practical and achievable at scale. Delivering on this vision has required the expertise of thousands of engineers. Through this journey, we have come to fully appreciate the central role of engineering in driving economic transformation and sustainable industrial growth.